ഡിപ്പാർട്സൺ എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കേരള PSC നടത്തുന്ന ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ടെസ്റ്റ് KER ജാനുവരി 2019 വർഷത്തെ ചോദ്യപേപ്പറിലെ 1 മുതൽ 25 വരെയുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഈ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓരോ ചോദ്യത്തിനും 10 സെക്കൻഡ് സമയം. 10 സെക്കൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ശരിയുത്തരം സ്ക്രീനിൽ തെളിയുന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര മാർക്ക് കിട്ടി എന്നത് സ്വയം വിലയിരുത്തുക. നമുക്ക് നേരെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. No manager shall close down any school unless 1 year's notice expiring with the 31st May of any year, unless the manager intended so to do, unless 1 year's notice expiring with the 31st March of any year, unless with proper notice to the concerned educational officer. Right answer is unless 1 year's notice expiring with the 31st May of any year. Make rules either prospectively or retrospectively for the purpose of carrying into the effect of the provisions in KE Act by the Governor, by the President of India, by the Government, by the Legislator. Right answer is by the Government. The term of office of the members other than the functionaries of the local authorities and ex officio members of the district educational authority shall be dash year. 3 years, 5 years, as decided by the Jilla Panchayat, as ordered by the government. Right answer is 5 years. It shall be the duty to implement the provisions of KE Act to ensure that the employment, if any of the children does not interfere with their attendance in government or private school. Local Education Committee, District Educational Authority, Director of Public Instruction, Government. Right answer is Local Education Committee. It shall be duty to see that noonday meals, clothing books and writing materials are provided for poor peoples free of cost. General Education Department, Local Self-Government Institutions, Assistant Educational Officer, Local Authority. Right answer is Local Authority. Private educational institutions may be classified into 2 categories: high school and primary schools, aided or unaided school, for general education and special education, individual educational agency and corporate educational agency. Right answer is individual educational agency and corporate educational agency. Schools for general education shall be 2 grades. They are primary and secondary, general education and vocational education, general education and special education, general education and schools for particular categories of students. Right answer is primary and secondary. School for special educations are the school for defective children like the deaf, the dumb and the blind, leper schools, teachers training school, PT schools, music schools, fishery schools, etc. Schools for the handicapped. Right answer is teachers training school, PT school, music schools, fisheries schools, etc. Approval of appointment of the manager and change in personnel of the manager shall take effect from the date of Actual assumption of the charge of the management specified in the order of approval issued by the authority, order of the competent authority, permission granted for the change by the director, the order of the government. Right answer is actual assumption of the charge of the management specified in the order of approval issued by the authority. Constitution of the corporate educational agency shall be approved by the Deputy Director of Education, Government, LSGI, Jilla Panchayat or municipality or corporation. Right answer is Deputy Director of Education. No person who is a manager of an aided school shall be eligible for seeking appointment in government service in that school or any other school under the agency, receiving any remuneration from school account, collecting donation for appointment of a leader. Right answer is seeking appointment in government service. Normally, every aided training school have the minimum site area of dash 2 acres, 1.2 to 2 hectares, 1.2 hectares as decided by the government. Right answer is 1.2 hectares. Dimension of the classroom of an LP school shall be 6 into 5.5 into 3 meters, 6 into 6 into 3.7 meters, 6 into 6 into 3 meters, 20 into 20 into 12 feet. Right answer is 6 into 5.5 into 3 meters. Government school building and properties may be given to private parties for conducting meeting and other functions other than educational purpose also, free of cost with the permission of educational officer, rent at the rate fixed by the PTA, rent at the rate fixed by the Jilla Panchayat, rent at the rate fixed by the government from time to time shall be levied from the party. Right answer is rent at the rate fixed by the government from time to time shall be levied from the party. Religious instruction can be permitted in private schools under the conditions. The conditions in Rule 17(1) of Chapter 4 of KER, that prior permission of the government shall be obtained, that prior permission of the director shall be obtained, that prior permission of the educational officer shall be obtained. Right answer is the condition in Rule 17(1) of Chapter 4 of KER. No final list of schools to be opened or upgraded shall be modified without given intimation to the educational officer concerned, notice to the person likely to be affected by, intimation to the LSGI concerned, intimation to the government. Right answer is notice to any person likely to be affected by. The authority competent to grant temporary recognition to schools beyond a year, the Director of Public Instruction, the District Educational Officer, the Deputy Director of Education, the government. Right answer is the Deputy Director of Education. The application fee for permission to open a high school is rupees 10, rupees 20, rupees 30, rupees 50. Right answer is rupees 30. To open a new recognized LP school other than aided shall furnish a financial guarantee of rupees dash. Rupees 3000, rupees 1500, rupees 750, rupees 250. Right answer is rupees 750. Recognition to a school shall be granted among other conditions: that the permission under Rule 2 chapter, that it is opened as per the notification, that it satisfies the needs of the area, that the permission of the local education committee. Right answer is that the permission under Rule 2 chapter. A member of the non-teaching staff under the category of clerks, attender, office attendant and menial staff shall also eligible for appointment as teacher, provided he has the prescribed qualification. Option A as Rule 43 claims. Option B as Rule 51A claims. Option C as Rule 51B claims. Option D provided that no teacher is eligible for promotion. Right answer is provided that no teacher is eligible for promotion. Appointment of HSTs shall be as decided in the ratio ordered in the GO dated 7th January 2002. It shall be as shown in the table for the 10 divisions: Physical Science, Natural Science, Maths, Social Science, English, total. Option A 3 1 3 2 1 10. Option B 2 2 3 2 1 10. Option C 2 2 2 2 2 10. Option D 3 1 3 2 1 10. Right answer is option C 2 2 2 2 2 10. Teachers appointed under Rule 314A of KERs shall be on probation for a total period 1 year on duly. Option A within a continuous period of 3 years. Option B within a continuous period of 2 years. Option C within a total period of 2 years. Option D within a total period of 1 year. Right answer is option D, within a total period of 1 year. The vacancies, the duration of which is less than dash, shall not be filled up. Option A 2 months. Option B 1 academic year. Option C 1 school year. Option D 8 months. Right answer is option B 1 academic year. 3 copies of appointment order, all signed by the manager and the teacher, shall be forwarded to the educational officer for approval with such details, particulars and documents as may be required by the director. Option A immediately after the teacher joined duly. Option B within 10 days. Option C within a month. Option D within 15 days. Right answer is within 15 days. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഉപകാരപ്പെടുന്ന മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ബട്ടന്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോയുടെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ലഭിക്കുന്നതാണ്.